Hello friends, this is the Westcoast Math Tutor. In the last video we learned that the relationship between the central angle of a circle measured in radians, the length of the arc opposite of that angle, and the radius of that circle can be described by the formula theta equals s divided by r, where theta is the central angle, s is the arc, and r is the radius. Today we are going to do an example from engineering using this formula. So let's say a belt connects a pulley of 2-inch radius with a pulley of 5-inch radius. If the larger pulley turns 10 radians, how many radians will the smaller pulley turn? The best way to solve these kinds of problems is to start by drawing a sketch. So let's do that first. This is the smaller pulley, and this is the bigger pulley, which has a radius of 5 inches. Let's connect these pulleys with a belt. Now, how do we start? Do you have an idea? Feel free to pause the video and try. The key in problems like this is to understand that one point, let's call it point P on the larger pulley, travels the same distance as that point Q on the smaller circle travels. Let's find out first which distance s the point P on the larger pulley travels. When we multiply this formula by r, we get s equals theta times r. Now we are going to plug in the radius, which is 5, and the radians, which is 10. 10 times 5 is 50. So the arc S is going to be 50 inches. Recall that the point Q on the smaller pulley will also travel 50 inches when the point P on the larger pulley travels 50 inches. So we plug in 50 inches for S and 2 inches for R to get the angle theta of the smaller pulley. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So theta is going to be 25 radians. In other words, when the larger pulley turns 10 radians, the smaller pulley will turn 25 radians, and we're done with this problem. Again, the key in solving these kinds of problems is to understand that a certain point on the larger pulley travels the same distance as a point on the smaller pulley, when the two pulleys are connected by a belt. This video is what I did for you. If you want to do something for me, hit the bell button, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning everyone.